James. You got it?
Yep.
Okay, I went two-handed. I'm gonna start on the other one. I'm gonna center it out right there. Okay, tighten it up. We got enough room to run 90s on that back valve? On the valves on your side?
Yeah.
Okay. Did he pex down yet, or did we drill those holes?
No, I got access. I'll drill them.
Okay, thank you.
You good?
Yep, we're good. Okay. So it has to be flat, just like that. There. This one should ride like this. Come on, bud. Hmm? That's wrong. That is wrong, my guy. So if we did it, it should be this way. That facing down. So that's wrong. So the correct way would be here. Voila. Thank you very much. Oh, you dirty dogs. Good, I'm almost done.
Yeah.
Jay? I hate to say it, but I think I lost the dang Allen screw.
Can I play the video back? Pretty sure he hasn't flipped it down.
Every single job I do, it goes to shit.
Hell yeah.
Why?
It's plumbing.
Bro, it's gone.
Where'd you drop it? In the drain?
Huh?
Where'd you drop it? Does this thing tilt forward? Let me look. Let me get you looking.
Go ahead, give me, dog, give me. Light me up. This is how my boss trains. He just lets you make a complete jack of yourself. And I think I lost a screw that I may not even need. No, I know it's a hex, bro. That don't even look right. No, it's not. Jimmy. What is this, dog? Bro, I did not see it. Bro said, where'd it go? So this came out of the original kit. Dude, I think I heard it go clink, clink, clink. Oh.